The Prophet left one message for us that I'll never forget. He was walking one day with his companions, and when they were walking, they went past this particular tribe. When they went past, the companions were thirsty, the rest of the army was thirsty, so the Prophet came to the head of the tribe. Salamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam. He said, do you know me? He said, yes, I know you, of course, you're the Prophet Muhammad. He said, okay. He said, my companions are thirsty. Is there anything that you can give us if you don't mind? The person said, no, I'm not giving you anything. He said, sorry? He said, I'm not giving you anything. You're not getting anything. He said, nothing at all? He said, no, this is all for my tribe. No one else is getting anything except us. The Prophet walked away. He said, Ya Allah, increase the rizq of this person. The next tribe they got to, the leader of the tribe came out, the Prophet came, Salamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam. You know who I am? He said, yes, of course. May my life be sacrificed for you. You're the Prophet of God. How honored we are that you have come. He said to him, me and my companions are thirsty. Do you mind giving us something? He said, Ya Rasulullah, I gave my soul towards you. I gave my life towards you. Everything that I own is yours. Come, let the companions have it. The moment they left this person, Rasulullah raised his hands in dua. Ya Allah, give him the rizq which is sufficient. Companions were mystified. Said, Ya Rasulullah, the one who gave you nothing, you said increase his rizq. The one who gave you everything, you said give him the rizq which is sufficient. Why, Ya Rasulullah? He said, because that which is sufficient is sometimes easier to handle. Yes? There are those of us who want a major increase in our rizq monetarily. But how many times an increase in money meant less appearances in the majalis of Al Muhammad? How many times an increase in money meant less Salatul Jum'ah's attendance? How many times an increase in money meant just about attending on the 10th of Muharram? There's no denying that if Allah has decided to give you an increase in money, alhamdulillah. But sometimes those of us who had that which is sufficient, we used to have a closer relationship with the mosque than when the money began to increase, yes? There are those of us, the business was particularly small, but you'd see us on the 10 nights of Muharram, you'd see us on the Wiladas, you'd see us on the Shahadas, you'd see us on the Salat al-Jum'ah. But then as the money began to increase, subhanAllah, the excuses began. I have a business meeting here, I have a flight over here. You're like, do you remember the days when it was sufficient, how close you were to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Therefore, sometimes those who turn around and say, Ya Allah, why aren't you giving me more money? Sometimes, wallah, He's giving you a rizq by not giving you more rizq. Understand this concept. Sometimes, Allah is giving you a rizq by not giving you rizq. Because sometimes Allah is telling you, wallah, if I give you more, you don't understand that you may leave me. It's my love towards you as to why I've given you this much. My love towards you so that you continue being closer to me.